Welcome back to this channel, and thank you for choosing this channel as your favorite YouTube channel as far as making money online is concerned. If you're a lover of cryptocurrencies, then this is the best channel for you. If you're new here, subscribe so you won't miss out any of the video I upload, especially if you clicked on that bell icon. And let's not forget to always share and like the videos so that it can circulate and people get to know about these opportunities. When people get to know about this opportunity, the network is built and this makes the platform stronger. Now, in this video, we are going to see to compare the automated trading, signal trading, and manual trading, which would be the best option for you. This video will let you know why we focus on some areas and leave other areas. Yes, this is a very good video for everyone who is willing to make money online. But before I continue, I just wanted to show you my screen because I got a lot of questions, people asking, are you really making money with the platform? Yes, you can see that is, those are my trades. I mean, these are my results for trading, and then I also have this other section that I really need to show you. I think I should tap here, right here, and maybe show you this. I think we all need to see this. Okay, so that's how much I've made, and this is the reality, and I think you also need to make such money. Now, before you decide on which project to go, which section you should follow, because somebody is telling you trade signals, another person is telling you go for automated trading, another person is actually telling you go for manual trading, and then another person just tells you to do networking. So we are going to get all the 5 differences and see which one is working. Are they 5 or 4? Anyway, we shall see, because I believe in doing things practically, not actually giving you what I think is. We need to see from the results. By the way, you even see this, but sometimes you fail to understand this. It's just a matter of explaining everything to you. Now, let's get started. Now, it's just a matter of you looking at this. Now, you realize that we are in automated. Don't laugh at me anyway. You realize that I personally don't do automated, but then we need to compare automated with other automated signal trading, and then also manual trading, and then we see which one is better. And I think let's just get started. Let me try to bring it up like this. Like I told you, you realize that I don't have anything in automated. I don't trade automated, but doesn't mean that it's not working. But let's first see how much people have made it. In the last 15 days, you realize that Alex made 40. I mean, he made 595, 500, 500, 500, 500. I see 500. And as you drop down, the profits reduce actually. They reduce and up to 100. So that is automated. When we go to signal, by the way, this is global. This is global. You need to watch this and understand. And then if we go to signal trading, you realize that things change. And now from 500, now we have from 500 now we see that the highest person got 700 in the last 15 days, and then also the next person also got 700, and then it grew to 300, 300, 300. But by the way, you need to know that it's not always like this. The figures keep changing, especially in this. But again, the ratio comparison will always be the same. That's what I have seen from here. Let's go to manual trading. Now, with manual trading, you realize that we can see people. By the way, I'm a long-term trader and the market has been bad. That's why with my strategy, the money I have in the account, that's just what I made. That's how honest I am. From you trading, of course, from you trading. But sometimes I trade manually. If you want to know how to trade manually, there's a link in the description below that will direct you to a course on how to master crypto. So some of us are manual traders, but then we trade with this. You trading simplifies everything. But then you realize that the highest person got 4,000, another 2,000, another 2,000. You get from 2,000, in among the recommended list, the recognized list, the smallest, the person who got the smallest figure got 500, as you can see right from down here. So you can now know that I think manual trading is better. It's not actually thinking, but it is actually the truth. But then people will tell you don't go for manual trading. Manual trading is really pretty good, and that's why you see that in all my videos I emphasize on manual trading, and you realize that I just post videos like signal trading and automated trading just for those who want to learn how to trade. But then there is money in manual trading. However, I'll recommend these other ones for you because these ones are less risky, but then these ones are highly profitable, but also they need to be taken with care, because if you go for manual trading, you need to be experienced. If not, you need to be trusting your leader, because some leader will lead you into a loss. That's if I am to be honest. Now we have tackled actually the three differences in trading. Now let's try to go through the referral section. When you go to referral section, you find that in direct I made this. Where is money? That's what we want to know. Where is money? Is money in referring, or it is found in trading? Now you realize that people who referred most and invited people to the business, this person made 3,000, 2,000, and the smallest here is 300. Now you can realize that referring is actually also having more money than even automated and manual trading and signal trading. So it is you to choose either to do network marketing or not. And by the way, there's this indirect. I love indirect in a way that you only have to participate in this area. You only have to participate in that area. And then this area, it is the people that you bring that will do that for you. And you realize that here, this is free money, I would say, because see, this is what I have earned from just indirect, the guys that are being introduced by the people that I introduced and are making that. This means if you played this area very well and you got good networkers, you will just sleep and you wake up one night and you find this money. Imagine this person just slept and he found $1,922. This other person in the same way got that money until among the recognized networkers, you realize that the smallest got this among the first 30, of course, but there are very many people, because when you look at this, you realize that I fall under category number 43. That's pretty good. Yeah, 43, that it means I'm also among the thousands of people. I mean 43, that means there are very few networkers in this business. And yes, the other day I was comparing the robots. That's an added advantage maybe. I want us to compare the robots and and I will explain actually, because I trust that I want us to understand this business. Forget about the people who tell you the other robot is a scam, the other robot is legit, things like that. That's why I uploaded the past video. So I want you guys to understand this business. When it comes to reality, I will need to give people the best information, because in this same channel, we have done a lot of scams, we have benefited from scams, and some of us have even lost in scams. So we said no to scams. Yes, we said no to scams. We decided to dive into the crypto space, and we are here to teach you crypto. I am actually here to teach you cryptocurrencies. If you want to dive deep into cryptocurrencies, I remind you that there is a link in the description that will direct you into a course. Right as I talk about this video, that course is not yet uploaded, but you can navigate and see what is there. If you watch this video maybe after 3 months, 4 months, then that course should be active. So I don't want people to complain that you direct us into a course and then we get nothing. Anyway, that's that. Now let's first try to compare this robot. I'm going to begin with the biggest robot, of course. Let's begin with the Royal Q. There's a reason I'm doing this, is try to understand me. So when you go to Royal Q, you find that this is what I need to consider. It has 27k reviews, and when I navigated into the reviews, I realized that let me first try to go down together there. They are positive, and of course me is what I believe in, that please help, I can't log in. Some of these legitimate platforms, you find these negative comments. You go to Binance and see there are very many negative comments. I don't know in your country, if you go to mobile money app like ours in Uganda, go to MTN, find that they have very many negative things. But then if you find an app having only positive reviews, then you need to run away. And then again, if you find only negative reviews, then also that is bad. Now and then again, with the Royal Q, this is for the Royal Q traders also. You need to be very careful, because you realize that they have two apps. That is this other app and this other app. One is fake. I need to tell you that if you are a Royal Q trader. And then we have I'm considering this, and then these guys have 1 million downloads. This is just enough for somebody to trust the robot. But then I'm not trying to compare Roku with UTrading. I just want to give you the insights and why this happened. And then there's another robot that came recently. It came before UTrading. That is Cointech to you. It's right here. When you go to Cointech to you, you find that they have only 62 reviews, and the app is quite small anyway. Like it takes only 5 MBs, and then they only have like 5K. This really matters a lot when it comes to legitimacy, like the trust. What makes something to be trusted? In fact, you need to consider this as well. If you didn't know that, also try to add that if you are a YouTuber as well. And then let's get to, of course, our own UTrading, and then I'll explain what I am after. Now, here you realize that UTrading has about 2K. The other one has Roku has 26, UTrading has 2K, and then I didn't see the download. I forgot. I think we have about, I don't know the MBs for download that can cost, and then it has 100K. So my interest is here. This robot is just very new. It has just made 1 year in the business, and it already has this. If you compare it with the Roku is very old, and it has 1 million subscribers. I last had Roku in 2016. That's when I first had. I have not followed when it started, but those that are there I can tell. But it has 1 million. That means this robot here, within just a period of 2-3, it will go to 1 million downloads. And then we have reasons to trust this robot. And if you compare it with Roku, is it Cointech to you? Cointech to you came after this. I don't want to say that Cointech to you is bad, but then realize that maybe they do not have a good team that's focused on building the robot, or maybe marketing the robot, and then maybe they don't have I would say good mentorship skills. Those are some of the reasons that can cause that. Or maybe the developer has not put in much energy. So with time you find that if it continues like that, it can crash. Yeah. And I just want to make it clear that most of the things are competitive. I'm not here to compete, but me, I'm giving you the content because I'm not affiliated to any of them. I need to give you the right review that you really need. So after this, you'd ask me which robot would I go for. Make your personal due diligence and follow the features in this robot. As for me, I would say I would compare. Like now, for example, other robots are payable. Others don't have only one feature, others have only sport, others have only features, others have both. So you need to consider that. And then others have fully automated. In the same robot there is a semi-automated, and then there is a fully manual. So those are the things you need to consider. And then others have only fully automated, and then others completely have manual, and then others also have only semi-automated. So you need to consider that before you choose which robot to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. And also, if you have not subscribed, subscribe so you won't miss out any of the video I upload, especially if you clicked on that bell icon. Have a blessed day, and bye bye.